pop quiz at the end of this video. Which of these three shirts works with both sport coats behind me? So when putting together outfits, a question that we get commonly is whether or not it is okay to do pattern on pattern. And the answer is yes. In fact, your outfit is more sophisticated if you have more than one pattern. So clean metallic gray trouser. This is referred to as a window pane. It's a very distinctive design here. And the plaid shirt with the blue pulls that all together. The buttons also work quite nicely with this jacket. The other route that you could go would be to go with what's called a textured solid. So some people refer to this as a puppy's tooth, essentially a small puppy's tooth design. And again, you can drop that in here. Looks really sharp. Definitely like the contrast of the first shirt a little bit better with this particular jacket. Your last option, again, when you're comparing patterns, so a pattern in the shirt, pattern in the jacket, you can do multiple patterns as long as they're different sizes and dimensions. So this is a classic Bengal stripe, meaning the white and the blue are the same width, and that would look exceptionally well right here. If you're wondering which of those three shirts is also going to work with this, you could, in theory, wear the stripe with the plaid. I personally don't love this combo just because this is a busier Glen plaid than the window pane, so you've got a lot going on, but this absolutely works because it's a tight Bengal stripe with a medium-sized Glen plaid window pane decoration in that jacket. The shirt that I would most be apt to pair would be this textured puppy's tooth, because again, from a distance, it almost looks like a textured solid, but you've got nice contrast with the blues in the jacket, and so that pairs more seamlessly with this jacket right here. So again, to summarize, pattern on pattern absolutely works. Just be sure that the pattern in the shirt is different, typically smaller than the pattern in the jacket. Happy dressing, my friends.